Yo, Gen Z bado muko? Now, your creator, the one who manufactured you, because Gen Z is made in Kenya, has come to harvest you. Kenyatta created the youth bulge problem. Just search companies that collapsed between the year 2013 when Kenyatta was taking over and 2022 when Kenyatta was leaving. Ni most. So, in addition to wale watu walivutwa wakaambiwa ndani mamitaa, na most of them of course walikuwa ma-Gen-Zs, yeah? The impact of those closures was also to discourage new industries from coming into Kenya or being set up in Kenya. So once again, these were companies that were not created, and therefore jobs that were never created. Before mkae chini and entertain what Kenyatta is saying, na tujestwaka kina Munyoro mpaka Madhakarua mwenye alikuwa amepiga maandamano mingi when there was sijui akina Kianjakoma brothers wenye waliuliwa na Matiang'i that time. Before you sit down and consider what they are saying ati wa Munyoro, think twice. Think twice and ask yourself, how is it that sahi, you guys, do you know, dynasty zote, dynasty, Kenyatta is doing his thing, kuja hapa we nani, 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 you know, you're gonna form this thing, this one will be your presidential candidate, atakuwa na take orders from me, and then tafanya ile kitu, pale Gikomba, like for ages, Uwinyi ameishi kwenda pale kuambia watu, poleni sana kwa moto hii imechoma Gikomba, nimetoa pesa kidogo isaidia wamama hapa, you know, palliative solutions. Hey, kila wakati Gikomba inaungua, wamama wanarudishwa zero. It used to be a cycle, every now and then fire Gikomba kwa news flash. Unajua, properties worth tens of millions destroyed. Manzina ni pesa ya maskini, kila wakati kitu narudia. Na tuko na president ako State House. Mayuve bua cheni mchezo bana. Then comes this kijana ya Sugoi. Wacha nimwite hivyo. Ruto. Hakuja kusema, hii ni ujinga inafanyikanga hapa Gikomba. PS wa housing and this other ministries haifanyini hivi. I want a final solution, an ultimate solution to the problems of Gikomba. And I don't care what the bill will be. Itakuwa 3 billion, fine. Tafuteni hiyo pesa, mulete hiyo pesa. By the time President Ruto is done with Gikomba, should there be any fire? Let me tell you. Na mimi ndio nimefanya kazi kwa emergency management. Let me tell you what will happen. That place will not only have a standby fire brigade, okay?